How's it going, ladies? Thank you so much for tuning in to another wig review. It's me, Glam, Wigs to Waist Length, and here we are with this braided wig, baby. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Smash that thumbs up. Drop your girl a comment down below. If you are interested in purchasing, direct link will be in the description box down below. All right, ladies, let's go ahead and hop right into this review, baby. So this is a new unit by Outre. A couple of specs on it. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and I do have it in the style knotless triangle part braids in the color DR4 2T 27613. Wow, that's a mouthful. So this is, I believe, Outre's first go around at the braided wig. Okay, go ahead and stomp with the big dogs, Outre. I see you. So like I said, this is a pre-braided unit. They do claim that this has a knotless braid style, anyway parting, and it is lightweight with a natural density, soft flexible braids with baby hair included, and a pre-attached elastic band for a flat fit. So you know, looking at this unit, I must say I am very interested to see how this is going to work out. Now, as far as the braids do look pretty much uniform. These are not braided throughout, so they did leave the ends loose. I don't believe this is hot water set. It doesn't say it anywhere on the care card. You know, of course, it's yours, girl. You want to water set it? You want to throw some curls in it? Do you, boo? And the lace looks pretty dang good, Outre. Okay. So I'm definitely pleased with the lace. It looks like it's blendable. Won't be too much work involved. And baby, look at the scalp, sis. Look at the scalp. Okay. So the parting looks really good. However, I don't know about this 13x4 Outre. So you know, as I mentioned, this is a 13x4. I probably said that like what, 4 times. Anywho, so it doesn't look like it has like a lot of options for style, my personal opinion, and it does look like there's gonna be some issues with the back, but we still gonna make it do what it do, boo. So I'm gonna go ahead, of course, as always, shut up and slay accordingly. Outre was kind enough to give us 2 combs in the front, and then you do have this 13x6 frontal. I've explained this in the past, but for these new frontals, you do have 13 inches of ear-to-ear lace. The 6 inches is the deepest part of the unit, and that is your deepest parting space. So I hope that makes sense. You do also have 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and then of course this beautiful elastic band, baby. Now this one is adjustable. It is also sewn into the cap. If I had to guess, and this is a big guess, okay, these are about maybe 24 inches. Give or take a centimeter or 2. The braids are a medium size, and they left the ends undone, which I'm a little surprised by, but we still gonna make it work. And baby, check out this hairline. Now typically with these braided wigs, the hairline looks really wiggiana, if you get my drift, but they took the liberty to give you some baby hairs with this unit, and they pre-plucked the parts. Now it is still dense, okay, she's still thick with it, but at least they attempted to give a natural hairline. Crucial, baby, okay, crucial to find something that matches your scalp color, because one shade will make the difference between you looking unbelievable or unclockable. So I'm using the Contortion palette by the Crayon Case, And I'm just gonna go through and, of course, scalp all these parts, boo.
Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no. Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends. No, no.
What do we want? Scalpiana. When do we want it? Now. Literally, the hardest part about these braided units is the hairline. I feel like the baby hairs will either make or seriously break your look and make you look so clockable. Using that $2 fine, baby, I'm going in with the rave spray. I do want this unit to lay flat, 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 flat. If you got a big dome, raise your hand. Team Big Dome here, and I am here to tell you that, yeah, gluing this unit down was not an easy process. So I only have 2 hands, when actually I needed 4 to hold this unit down. Funny how I use everything but what it's initially supposed to be used for. So this is a knee high that I'm actually wrapping around my hairline. This gets my lace so freaking flat.
I didn't mean to hurt you, babe. Oh no. If you decide to leave, you will help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? All I want is to love you, start all over. Tell me now, yeah, yeah. Don't leave, wait a minute. Let me make up for the wrongs I did. I did. I'm just a human, I admit it. What will it take for you to forgive?
I got you covered, sis. I know what you're gonna ask. How does the back look? Can I put it up in a ponytail? Well, this is a wig sewn onto a cap. Now, the back of the unit, you can see the braids, but it is thick enough that it won't show. As far as putting this up in a ponytail, I would definitely suggest a scarf. If you're interested in styling options, check out the previous video I did for another braided wig. I don't think I've ever gone this light for a braided unit. I don't think I've ever done this type of 613 period on this. No, I did. Ooh, yeah, I did one. You won't find it. But yeah, I'm actually feeling this. I'm feeling the way they blended the color on here. It's not a 1B. This is, in my opinion, this is more of like a kind of like a 4. It's a dark 4, and then it goes into the 613 ombre, and I think the color blend came out really, really cute. So let's go ahead and talk about this triangle box braid unit by Outre. If I'm not mistaken, this is their first go around with the braided wigs, and yeah, I think it's just gonna be trial and error, boo. You know, I was really hesitant to get this because braided units, everything has to be on point for it to look as natural as possible. First and foremost, the cap is very snug on me. It's actually, in my opinion, it's borderline like too small. I have like just enough room with this cap to get it to lay flat. Now, it feels like there may be like some filler hairs up here that I'm not all the way feeling Outre. You know, it is kind of giving me a little bit of a hump action. But I do think the parting, baby, this is scalp. Me personally, I would have preferred smaller parts, would have had more room to add more braids and fill in the back, because you can definitely see, you know, where the scalp ends and then where the actual, like, you know, kind of faux braids or fake braids start in the back where they're sewn onto the cap. Now, of course, if somebody's on top of your head, you being clockable is the least of your worries, okay? But I think, you know, for the concept, you know, you want all around coverage. You want to be flawless 360. If at first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. So yeah, just dust yourself off, Outre. So thank you, ladies, for tuning in to another review. If you didn't get anything from this video, I hope I could bring just a smile to your face, a quick smirk, a quick laugh, a quick for all my haters. But you know, thank you so much to all of you for tuning in. Let's chat it up in the comments down below. Smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and as always, please keep sharing the video with your family, your friends, and your frenemies down the street. Boo. Stay tuned for the YouTube shout outs. Take care of yourself, ladies. And as always, ladies, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one. Yes, here we are once again with the YouTube shout outs. If you're new to the channel and you have made it this far, you are the true MVP. Okay, well, you're the MVP with all the other MVPs on this channel. But anywho, so this is where I take the time to verbally thank all of you, answer any questions you may have. Just overall, just verbal gratitude for all the love and support you show this channel. If you're interested in this review on Miss Adana, baby, check her out. So thank you to Vintage Beauty, Diva Latika. I know there's a name twin. Hey to Meekah. And big shout out to my girl in the Bay Area. Thank you so much to all of you. Tina, motivational, strong will, love yourself, always a pleasure. Tina Taylor, thank you. Dear Body. Someone had a question. That's what I was doing. I was stalling. I will now have a direct link to the music I use. So if you click the link for that in the description box down below, it'll take you directly to the artist that I'm using for the video at the time. I do believe Epidemic Sound is also offering a discount if you use my code to sign up, and you can save on a subscription for their service. So check out that link down below. And as always, take care of yourself, ladies. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. Details for the giveaway will be coming up soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. Turn on post notifications. Make sure you are receiving all notifications, sis. I see you out there. Click that bell. Do it now, please. In a hurry, expeditiously. Take care, ladies. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next one.